In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have Discord folder icons. Let's make your Discord server list easier to scan at a glance by creating folders and giving them custom emoji icons. Start by opening Discord on your computer or phone. Once you're in, look to the left side of the app where your servers are listed as circular icons. That's where we'll work. To create a folder on a computer, click and hold one server icon, then drag it directly on top of another server in that list. On mobile, long press a server, then drag it onto a second server. When you drop it, Discord automatically creates a folder that contains those servers. If nothing happens, make sure you're dragging one server onto another icon in the server list, not into a channel area, and wait a brief moment for the folder outline to appear before releasing. Now that the folder exists, let's give it an icon. On a computer, right-click the new folder. On mobile, tap and hold the folder. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Folder. You'll see a field labeled Folder Name. This is where the magic happens. Paste an emoji into that name field. A simple high-contrast emoji works best, so it's clear at a small size. Think a star, heart, book, or fire. To grab an emoji on Windows, you can open the emoji picker with the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus period. On macOS, press Control, Command, and Space. On mobile, just switch to your emoji keyboard and select the one you want. You can place the emoji by itself or put it at the beginning of a short folder name if you prefer a label with an icon. The key is that an emoji is included in the name. When you're done, click Save on Desktop or tap Save on Mobile. Discord takes the emoji you added and uses it as the folder's icon in your server list. You'll see it appear right away, and it will sync across your devices when you're signed into the same account. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Use a different emoji for each folder so you can recognize them instantly, and avoid overly detailed emojis that can look fuzzy at small sizes. If you don't see the edit folder option, make sure you're clicking or pressing on the folder itself, not on an individual server inside it. You can always reopen edit folder later to change the emoji or rename the folder. That's all there is to it. Create the folder, edit it, paste an emoji into the name, and save. Your emoji becomes the folder icon, and your server list looks cleaner and easier to navigate.